Have you ever heard of a city called the Dalles, located in Oregon? Well, I sure hadn't, and I thought it was a highly unusual name. But we did stop there on our riverboat cruise on the Snake and Columbia Rivers. It turned out there was quite a bit to see and do there, but two things in particular were really interesting. Let me tell you about them in case you'd like to visit the Dalles. Hi, this is Sandy from Sandy Over 70. If you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of my future videos. The Dalles was named by fur trappers for the French word for gutter. Here, emigrants floated down the Columbia River in rafts through the stony river gorge. The passage, with immigrants and their wagons crowded onto a small wooden raft, was often perilous. We used the hop-on, hop-off buses to visit the National Neon Sign Museum. Now, this is a museum you don't see every day. I was intrigued by the name and knew it was a must-see for me. This museum is brand new in the Dalles. It is a walk through the evolution of light from the earliest of light bulb signs in 1880 to 1920 to the introduction of neon to the United States in 1923. There are more than 20,000 square feet of electrifying signs and interactive displays that date from the late 1800s through the 1960s. I'm here in the Western Antique Auto and Airplane Museum, affectionately known as WAAAM, here in the Dalles. We're waiting in line to take a ride in an antique car. Can't wait. I have never seen so many antique cars in one place as I do here. Wow. Here we are at the Columbia Gorge Discovery Center and Museum. This 48,200 square foot building contains interactive exhibits about the creation of the gorge, Ice Age animals, including a full-size Columbian mammoth, the Lewis and Clark Corps of Discovery, native peoples of the area, and a life-size exhibit featuring a wagon raft braving the Columbia River's current.
Hey, look! The sun is coming out!
The Fort Dalles Museum is located in the surgeon's quarters built in 1856 during the Yakima Wars and the only remaining officer's house from that period. Exhibits include arrowheads, military and pioneer artifacts, period antiques and photographs, tools, weapons, saddles, and information about the fort. If you ever take a riverboat cruise on the Snake and Columbia Rivers, you would definitely stop at the Dalles. So now you've had a sneak preview of what there is to do there. Maybe you'll be out west someday and would like to stop there on a road trip. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. My videos cover a variety of topics such as travel and cruising, fitness and health, beauty and fashion, and planning for a move to a retirement community. I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.